guys, so just so you know, I'm not listening to anything, but right now, and first of all, I know I have not been making videos a lot, but yeah, blah blah blah. I haven't been making a lot of videos. It's because I've been really busy, and I'm trying to make a video. Where the heck is my Xbox controller? But right now, I'm trying to watch Rio 2. Oh, here it is. Black. Yes! Oh, do you guys know mustaches? I think mustaches are the best. I love mustaches. See? I got Rio 2. So much skin. So work this. No. No. First of all, oh yes. Right there. Put this in. Yes. Great silver. Good. Oh, if you guys want to know, if you guys want to add me to friend list, I'm Don't Get Served. This is me. Dang it! Hold on. There, that's me. I have Xbox Live. So, see, I'm signing in right now. But I don't think this is going to be. Oh, come on, I have two messages. Okay, now it's time. Charlie Brown. What? But I got Rio 2. It's just it just did Charlie Brown. See? Charlie Brown. I love Charlie Brown. Dang it! 2015, that's coming out next year. But I'm not going to spoil it for any of you guys. Because I don't want to be rude and just spoil it for you. So, I need to. Well, anyway, basically what I'm saying is, I'm sorry I'm not making daily vlogs. I'm trying so much. Oh, and I'm planning on making, like, I don't think I'm going to make a video. I really want to, but I'm going to get in trouble for it. Okay, I'm just showing you it, and how I made it. I'm not going to show you how I made it. I'm just going to tell you. Okay. Very well. So, it's not Play-Doh. I just got a stick. And my Play-Doh was dried out, so I just emptied out my Play-Doh and just put it in here. So, it's this strange, gooey stuff. See, it's strange. You can pick it up.
Where am I?
It's like goo. I don't know. It's fun goo. See?
Don't try
It would make a
all
mess.
in at once.
But I'm going to show you how I made it. So basically I just used, I know this is science. I made it randomly. I have no idea how I made it. I just made it and then it just turned into this. But I used baby powder, kind of a lot of baby powder, some toothpaste, I know, it's weird, and some water, and it's very good for your skin, especially when you have baby powder in it.
I know exactly what to play. You got what I need.
See, it's
Wow,
oh gosh.
Totally captivating.
See, I just crushed it anyways. showing you how it works. Mix it up. Okay. I'm just mixing it up. I'm adding some water. Okay.
And
Now I'm just mixing it.
too dark, right? What do you think? Too dark? Hello?
Fine.
We will never find a safe home. Captain! They have found one that is perfect. Are you sure? No laser squid? No, sir. No carnivorous unicorns? Remember those? Even the weather is perfect.
There, here's the part where it starts to turn into
I
goo.
like it. I have saved us again.
Because it can't get a little bit too liquidy. So,
New class.
because it would get a little bit too liquid. So,
No, thank you. Now just this side. Now on the side.
this is what you do. See? Oh, my little brother's playing Jurassic Park on his Xbox. So, really fun.
For Mr. Peabody, the only thing harder than being the world's most extraordinary dog.
Is the president coming to dinner again?
You'll see. The Petersons. Welcome to our happy home. He's being an ordinary dad.
She hates me.
Share your interests. Tell a witty anecdote. Make it work. But don't tell her about the way back.
He calls it the Wayback. It's a time machine. Now we've seen it, maybe we should go back.
Nope. Okay, so here we go. See, I turned it all into that nasty stuff too.
He's not getting used to
Stuff.
You used the way back.
He was into it.
Oh
Yeah.
my.
That's basically it. I'm sorry. I'm making what video?
Ancient Egypt.
Boy, you didn't call me, everybody.
German, that's not my hand. That's disarming.
Someone left this for us. A present.
Okay, so
It looks just like ours.
Should I bring it inside?
That'd be rude not to.
we're not making a lot of videos.
Peabody, yeah.
Look at this right
I
now.
did not see that coming.
How do you take off? You just pull down that lever.